Hello guys, I am Alpesh from XSY Compact Lifting Solutions LLP. This year we have innovated rotational lift, not with traditional motors, not with induction motors or rotational tubular motors or the very traditional AC motors. But this time we have innovated this rotational lift with servo motors with feedback system. Why the need of using servo motors in our audio lifts is that in rotation we need precise angles, we need precise stops, we need precise starts, we need low RPM starts, we need low RPM stops, so that for the years and years it should be always at that particular point only where we want our TV to be. So to control everything for a system indicator, to set everything, to set the zero levels, we have introduced a particular app only for system indicators. User can use the remotes, the automation, dry contacts and everything. But for the system indicator, we have introduced app through which they can properly install it and properly calibrate it. This is the operation of rotational TV lift. You can see it is starting with very low RPM and following the sine wave RPM, so that it will increase slowly. Now again it has reduced its RPM and it is slowly decreasing its RPM. Here you can see that the RPM in your app, exactly at what RPM TV is right now and at what degree TV is right now. Exactly stopped at 360 degree, 180 degree. Exactly stopped at 180 degree. Here we have given two modes. You can do in 180 degree mode as well as 360 degree modes. Also, we have given a manual mode in which you can manually, by the app, you can rotate without any program. You can take the lift to the proper position where you want to set your zero. So once you have set your zero, it will always rotate to 180 degree exactly. Even in the between, you can stop it if customer has a different requirement that they want to stop at 45 degree, or they stop at 1 at 60 degree, 1 at 80 degree, 1 at 70 degree. That also can be customized through our coding in our controller. So this is gonna revolutionize the rotational TV lift and giving the best of the servo motors, the servo outputs we will be able to use in our audio lifts. So welcome to the world of servos, which we are gonna use slowly in all our lifts to give it more precise and more feedback based positioning systems. Thank you.